Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asseela Ahsan, roll number 115. Today, my topic is the role of alternative dispute resolution in disputes. Family disputes are not just legal conflicts, they are emotional, personal, and often deeply distressing. When such matters are taken to court, the process can become lengthy, costly, and damaging, especially for children and vulnerable family members. To address these challenges, modern legal systems increasingly rely on alternative dispute resolution, commonly known as ADR. ADR provides a practical and humane approach to resolving family disputes outside the traditional courtroom setting. Today, my presentation will discuss the role of alternative dispute resolution in family disputes, its types, benefits, limitations, and why it is considered an effective alternative to litigation. First of all, we have to understand what is ADR. ADR is a flexible approach to resolving family conflicts outside traditional court systems. It refers to methods of resolving disputes outside formal court proceedings. It includes mediation, conciliation, negotiation, and sometimes arbitration. Its goal is to give quick, fair, and less stressful solutions. In family law, ADR focuses on mutual agreement rather than winning or losing. For example, in the UK, under the Family Procedure Rules 2010, courts encourage parties to attempt mediation before filing family cases. Failure to consider ADR can even result in cost penalties. So the question is why ADR for family matters? This is why that family disputes involve emotions, privacy, and long-term relationships. Courtrooms are adversarial. Families need solutions, not judgments. Court fights can increase conflict, take time and money, harm relationships, and affect children emotionally. ADR encourages communication, respect, and understanding. For example, in a child custody dispute, parents who went through mediation instead of litigation were able to agree on visitation schedules without exposing the child to prolonged court battles. Studies show children suffer less psychological harm when parents resolve disputes amicably. Let's move to its types in family disputes. The first one is mediation. Mediation In mediation, a neutral mediator helps parties reach a voluntary agreement. Mediation facilitates communication between parties to resolve conflicts. A neutral person helps both sides to talk and agree. Second one is conciliation. In conciliation, a conciliator assists in reaching mutual agreements peacefully by guiding discussion and suggesting solutions. Conciliation is similar to mediation but more advisory. The third one is arbitration. In arbitration, a neutral party hears both sides and makes binding decisions for disputes. It used rarely in family matters. It is often used in property disputes. The fourth one and the last one is negotiation. In negotiation, parties with or without lawyers discuss and settle themselves. They can be settled. They can settle themselves. So, what which issues are suitable for ADR? There are some issues which are suitable for ADR. The first one is divorce and separation settlements. Second one is child custody and visitation plans. Third is maintenance and financial support. Fourth is property and inheritance discussions. And the last one is everyday family misunderstandings. These issues are suitable for ADR. They can resolve easily in alternative dispute resolution. So move to the benefits of ADR. Enhancing family dispute resolution. ADR benefits includes faster and cheaper than court. Private, it is private and confidential. It has less emotional damage. It protects relationships. It focuses on children's best interests. It is flexible cooperative outcomes. It has flexible cooperative outcomes. Move to the limits of alternative dispute resolution. In family disputes, as it has advantages, it has limits and disadvantages as well. So the first one is the risk of abuse. In family disputes, there can exist domestic violence or threats. A party can threat another party. It is not binding or protective. The second one is lack of enforceability. Outcomes may not always be legally binding agreements. Legal rights require strict enforcement. The third one is coercion and dishonesty. One party is pressurized or dishonest. So the fourth one is not it is not suitable for all cases. Some matters demand formal court proceedings for resolution. So if we conclude the presentation, ADR plays a crucial role in resolving family disputes by promoting cooperation over confrontation. While it is not a